Hey guys, I'm back. Here's another vintage compact. I just got it on Wednesday. I thought it was so adorable. I'm going to show you detail. Look how pretty it is. I just finished repairing it, cleaning it as well. It has the little cloth thing. Be right back to show you. It has it right here. You can hear it click. There you go. And you hear it click again. Let me see. There you go. In the back. And then the front. And she was only $5. I love the detail on it. I love the aging of it. It has history behind it. That's the most important thing. Something that looks like brand new, that's no scratches on it. It's like they never used it or touch it, you know what I mean? But one with scratches and everything, it just brings out more of the beauty because it shows that it was loved by someone. But now it's in my possession now. I get to use it and everything. Like I said, I don't say collection because I'm not a collector. Collectors put it on a shelf and just look at it and without touching it, without using it. Me, I actually use my things. Me, I'm a person, I like to enjoy my stuff. Always shop on a budget, guys. Live your life, have fun, and find things that your heart desires. I didn't know I was going to get this today. They had it saved for me. The lady that knows me, she's like, I got you something. And I was like, what is it? I was always thinking, because she always finds me all kinds of stuff. So she's like, I got you a compact. I said, for real? Okay, cool. So we were like birthday shopping for my mom. My dad got hooked on it. So he was like, okay, I like this, I like that. Okay, tell her to hold this, tell her. I was like, okay. So my dad is hooked. Especially, he spent a whole $10 and bought a stack load of stuff. It's for my mom for her birthday and stuff. So now he likes going shopping with me. Before he was like, oh, you're spending too much money. But now he sees that I don't. I also got a coat too. I'm washing it, cleaning it, and then I'll show you guys a video of it. It's a vintage coat. It's pink, like a pale pink maybe. It's not a bubblegum pink. It's just a pink. Like a pale pink, yeah. Or a powder pink. There you go. And I got that coat also for $5. Look at that. So precious. So precious. I hope everyone has a wonderful night. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. And I thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube as well. Have a wonderful night, everyone. Bye.